Hello my gorgeous friends on the internet, how are you all doing? Okay, today's video is going to be short. I just want to show us a simple trick. It has been here for long, but not everyone knows about it. Okay, so what I want to do is just to show us how to easily show our GitHub repository as a text editor. Okay, it will help us for easy navigation and to find files easily. All right, so let's say we have a file like this. Okay, so I'm using Blocker as an example here. So if you look at this repository now, if assuming we want to access a particular directory, we will need to like be clicking and trying to like look where the files are located and all that. You understand? Looking for screens. Yeah, we'll now view it like this. But I want to show us how we can show this as if we are using a real text editor like VS Code. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to the domain here, change the github.com to github.dev. Alright, so give that some few seconds or minutes to run and to show it as if we are using a VS Code text editor, yeah, to display this. So just allow everything to load. I think the loading aspect takes time. Okay, so once it's done loading, you can easily navigate through it. You can see just as if you are working with your VS Code. So it just shows off everything. You can also edit if you want, and yeah, so it just shows everything as though we are using a VS Code. You can look below here. You can actually change the branch and do a lot of things. Outside here, we can check for the extensions that we have. Yeah, if you want to install extension as well, you can install your extensions and test it out. You can view your files, you can do a global search, you can check your GitHub history and all that. Your remote explorer, what does it mean? Okay, though I've not used this, so you can check out GitHub and so many things you can do here. So this just gives us that, you know, fun. You can also open terminal. Wow, this is cool. This is really cool. Wow, this is really cool. You can actually work from okay, cancel this. So there are some few things that you can just set up. Okay, it's taking me to my VS Code. This is not cool. Alright, so I don't want this. Alright, back to the UI where we are, and you can just file, you can view, you can do a lot of things right here. So it's just left for you to explore and see what you can get out of it. But I think it's very cool. It's sweet. It can help maybe if you're not with your system, you are actually using someone else's system and you want to, you know, quickly access some few things inside your GitHub repository. So you can just do this, and you want to also play around with it. Yeah, you can still play around with it. So I think when you set up all this stuff, you'll be able to get access to the terminal and all that. So though I've not really used this for long, so if you have any question, if you have any suggestion or things you think I missed, you can put it down in the comment section below. I'll be glad to learn from you. Peace.